What's good, YouTube? I'm back with an update for y'all. This week, Filthy Blends posted a picture of what's looking like the official Cordless Oster fast feed. I don't know if you guys caught it or not, but that's the only place I've seen it, so I don't know if it's official or not. If it is, I want y'all to tell me what y'all think. Honestly, it's a pretty ugly clipper. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It looks huge. It looks real big and bulky. I think they took enough time to where I think they should have done something a little bit better. You know, they had enough time to make something better, something more compact, but at the same time, you know, they gotta fit a battery into this and all these other things. So if you think about it, the Octane is not the smallest clipper. It's like I expected it to be bigger, but how much bigger, I don't know. Here is what Filthy Blends posted. I'm still on the fence about it. I do think it's an ugly clipper, but as long as it gets the job done, I'm not really tripping. I just want that fast feed that's cordless. A lot of people are still gonna buy it just because it's a fast feed. Now, do they like what it looks like? Not necessarily, but if it cuts good, that's all that matters. It doesn't matter what it looks like, as long as it cuts good. I also seen B. Clark Customs has one that he made. He is charging quite a bit for it, but it's custom, you know? It's something that is not necessarily official, but at the same time, you know, you get the same exact clipper just with a battery in it. You get the same exact fast feed clipper with a battery in it, and it's a lot slimmer, a lot smaller. I don't know if you guys seen it, but 360 Jeezy did post a video about it and, you know, all his reviews and everything. At this point, I don't know if it's the official one or not, because on Instagram, Oster only said this fall, our cordless clipper will be coming out this fall. They didn't say whether it was or was not a fast feed. So is this the official one? I'm not 100% sure. We'll see. If not, I seen Filthy Blends is coming out with a lot of Oster mods. Mods to where you can put the Oster blade on. All else fails, I'm gonna buy a JRL and throw the mod on and use the Filthy Blends mod to put the Oster blade on. I'm hearing a lot of good stuff about the JRL. That'll be my last resort if this Oster fast feed does not work out the way I want it to. I'm gonna still buy the fast feed and I'm gonna make sure I review it for you guys. But fall's coming fast, so we'll see how everything unfolds with this clipper. Whether this is or is not official, we don't know yet. So we'll see. Only time will tell. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and then comment and let me know what y'all think about this clipper. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.